capacity na the right resources na nio mangihota tariu ni kuri app itagwo Jazamiti app ithondeketwo ni andu acio a climate change kiria ministry yo no na carefree no riu wakora app yo ri Jazamiti app ri ni it's a very good app no andu aria mahanda miti most of them even are not aware of the app tondu ringi ni aciari aria kuria gwitu na mena maundu maingi na ndungithie kwanji kumwira ati ajie guthoma nyamu I think thirikari yagiririo gutumira o andu to especially the youth ni ndetagira mu youth muno tondu mu youth urera kanyamu ri ni wega kaheo handu agathie agithomithagia youth taru ngwire undu mu ithu tukata matunda mazuri ithu ni turi kindu gitagwo climate change assembly ituri representative from every ward of Kenya metagwo climate change advocates yecio ni tugia na kindu gitagwo climate assembly nitusamanagia every once a month every county o county igacamania ikaheadwo ni speaker wao tukaririria maundu macio ma climate change na tukaririria maundu ma advocacy na community engagement uria tungimatrain uhoro wa climate change no no ithu ni tureka party to ya kumatrain no matangireherwo change on the ground gutiri undu ungikorwo uki-impact tondu ona twahanda miti for example ngurie ri no tuhande miti mingi muno wanyita no riu uko turahanda the wrong trees taru muti tocio ndakwira wa broke
na nikiru turoni atiriri ni turamenya miti teno ndego ni gukorwo ikihandwo Wanjiku kumenya atia no kumwira who has that responsibility ya kwira Wanjiku atiriri acha tiga ikuhanda miti no tondu korona ni kwagite na civic education mundu gwitoke iki andu matingihandire miti yo niguo renda kuga na koguo miti yo ndingiarikire ugo yarikire na koguo tiri ndungienyenyire na